Hello, good morning students. Most welcome PVC Computer Online Classes. So presented by Ramesh sir here. So computer application for class 7, chapter number 5th, Introduction to Microsoft Excel 2013. So here, first of all, what is the Microsoft Excel? So students, Microsoft Excel is a helpful and powerful program for data analysis and documentation. It is a spreadsheet program which contain a number of columns and number of rows where each intersection of column and row is called cell. So here the students, Microsoft Excel is a powerful program that is especially used for analyzing the data and especially used for the calculation. Okay, and you can say the spreadsheet program. The second name is a spreadsheet program, and here spreadsheet have so many number of columns and number of rows, and intersection of row and then column is called the cell. Cell is a small box. Cell is a small box, just like a I draw here. So small box, like a small box. Okay. Small box like this one. Okay, small box. So small box in Excel. Okay, so this one is a small box. So spreadsheet present tables. So always spreadsheet present in tables of value arranged in rows and column that can be used for mathematical calculation. So Excel is especially used for the mathematical calculation like addition, subtraction, large number, greater number. So all the calculation we can do in Microsoft Excel. Okay. So after then workbook. So students, workbook is a file just like your notebook. Okay. Workbook is a file that contains one or more worksheet. So what is the meaning of worksheet? Worksheet means single sheet of workbook. Just like you having the notebook. So notebook have so many pages. So one single page is called worksheet. So simple definition here, the workbook is a file that contains the one or more worksheet to help to store the data. To store the data means you write the data. And workbook is a collection of worksheet. So second definition also, workbook is a collection of worksheet. So worksheet means many pages, many sheets. And more definition here, the workbook is a collection of one or more worksheet. It is also called the worksheet. Worksheet here. Okay. So what is the worksheet? A worksheet contains a cell. Cell means box. Okay. You open the Microsoft Excel. So small box. So this is small box is a cell. And cell is the intersection part of row and column. Okay, so worksheet contain the cell organized in the form of rows and column. Rows, it means many rows and many columns. Okay, a worksheet begin with a row number 1 and column number A. So row number 1 to many and column number A to. Okay, so this one is a start. The dark border of the cell is called the active cell. You know dark border. So dark border, just like a dark border, like this type of border. You click now, then this one is active for writing. So what is the meaning of this? This one is active cell. I am ready for you type inside me. Okay. So with the help of diagram, I explain the parts of Excel. So here the different parts. Title bar. So title bar is a name of worksheet. Title bar is a name of Microsoft Excel. Okay, this is a worksheet. Quick access toolbar. Quick access toolbar is specially used for quickly. It means here have the like save, redo and undo commands. Okay, so quickly you can do work. File tab. File tab means you click here. So many file, how to save, how to close, how to open. So file tab, all the things having. After then, name box. So name box means where you type, where your cursor. Just like a here. So this one A1 is a A1. So A is a column, 1 is a row. So A1, so this is a name box. Formula bar, it means here you write what you write, so all the things present here, all the things present here. Okay. Column heading, this is here A to last up to B, this one is a column heading. As it is 1 to last 32, like this one, 32 is not a fixed, so many numbers here, so this one is a row. Okay. And active cell, this is a dark border line, this one is a active cell. Okay. Selecting all the button, so you want to select all the button, so click here in the corner side. Sheet tab is called button, so sheet tab here, sheet 1, sheet 2, you can previous and next, you can see. Status bar here in downside, the last bottom line, this is a status bar. So status bar always show the number of column, number of line, where your cursor, so all the information given where in status bar. Okay. Sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, so by default number of sheet here 3, so sheet means single work sheet, sheet 1, sheet 2, by default this is a 3 work sheet here. This is a white area, total white area is called the worksheet window. Okay. Ribbon, so ribbon means all the decoration part up to here to this one box, this one here, this one is a here to here up to this one is a box, all the content is a part of ribbon. It's called wall, so it's called wall, this one. Okay, you can see up and down. Horizontal bar, left and right, you can see. Okay. Zoom control, so zoom control means this one is a small size, so you can increase and decrease the size of with the help of zoom control. View shortcut means how to see the preview, large, small, so we can use the preview. Okay. So these are the content. Data type, you know data type, it means data type means you purchase number of anything in market, so you say the like kilometer, meter, kg, so all the data, all the things have the units. Okay, so as it is your means you can do work on computer in Excel, so you have the requirement the data. Okay. So here the 3 types of data in Excel. Number 1, text. Text means what you type. So text data that contain the letter, number, space and special character. So what you type. So this type of data is a text data. Number. So number consists the number like 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on, is also including the special character like symbol is equal to dollar. So this is a number data. Formula. So formula means mathematical operation such as addition, subtraction, multiplication. So this type of formula have the formula data, and always formula started with is equal to sign, right? After then entering the data in worksheet, it means how to enter the data in worksheet. So here first click on cell means small box where you want to type, and after typing and press enter key, then you can type. Next point, yes, performing the calculation. So with the help of operator we can perform. So operators, so you can do the mathematical operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and so on, we can do in Excel. So this one is a operator. So with the help of example we can see like plus. So plus means addition, 4 plus 2, so result will come 6, minus subtraction. So 4 minus 2, it means 2. This is operator. Multiplication, 4 into 2, the result will come 8. This one is a symbol of division. 4 divided by 2, then 2 will come, and this is a percent, it means the modulars. Okay. So operator to get the remainder in the integer value, like 5 divided by 2. So how many remainder are 2 for the 2 under 2 to the 4. So 1 are remaining, so 1. So this type of symbol, this type of operator are used in calculation. After that, yes, saving the worksheet. How to save the worksheet? So click on File tab, click Save option, write name of file and click Save button. So student, the important point here, the extension of excel.xlsx. Okay, this is the extension. It means you are saving files dot. So how to save? Like this one save, but the extension of xlx. Opening a worksheet. So how to open a worksheet of save file? So click on File tab, Open button, select File and click Open. Just like any notebook, any file you open in computer. Exiting, it means you want to close. So click on File tab and Close option. Okay, then you can close Excel. Thank you. Have a nice day.